Home services is one business vertical that has brought respite to many people who need the convenience of housing, personal care services, etc. at their convenience. Our expert developers at Brew Labs have years of experience building robust and home services apps for business owners and entrepreneurs. And if you're looking to build one such app, it's important to know the features you'll have access to as an admin. In this live demo, you'll get to know these features that our team incorporated in a home services app.
This is website across the notification. So here too you can see it's almost the same view, only in an expanded version. You can see disinfection service, home cleaning, etc. You can see the new products over here, the products in sale, and the banner. So here the process is the same, wherein I create an account. You can allow or block notifications, but I'm just gonna cross this pop-up. So my email ID was so now I will get a personalized experience of using the Homeric platform. Now I can add whatever service I want to add. So for example, I click on pest control. So here are all the details, wherein you get to know what will be there in the service provided and the charges for the service. So say I want bed bugs control service. So I'll just click on add. So I want this. So here are the price details, the tax and the total amount. Then I click on next. So now I have to schedule the service. I can schedule it today itself, the date and the time. Let's say select 12:30 and specific instructions. It is not mandatory for you to add any instructions. This is just for an example. Then I click on continue. So here you'll get the order summary. You can even add a new address. This is the subtotal. If you want to give a tip, you can select. If you want to give a gift, you can select that too. The total amount payable. This has been selected. And then I click on place order. So since I haven't added an address, you can add a new address. So all you have to do here is add a new and a valid address, and then you place the order, and then it's pretty simple from there on. You place the order, you make the payment through credit or debit card or through UPI, or you opt for cash on delivery. And once the order has been finalized, the services will be dispatched to you on the set date, on the scheduled date, and at the scheduled time. So that's pretty much everything that is there on the website. And that's all, folks. Thank you. Hello and welcome everybody. This is the dashboard of the home services clone that we at Brew Labs have built. It's called Homeric. I'll just go right to the dashboard itself. This, as you can see, is the dashboard of the Homeric platform, and this is the admin panel, which you can see. So the second section on the admin panel is customers. Here you can see the total number of customers that are there on the platform, the total number of customers who have been using services by Homeric, the number of active customers who are using the app or website, and of course the remaining aspect remains the inactive customers. You can add customers. As you can see, there is an add customer option, wherein if you click on it, there are certain fields which you have to fill. like name, email, phone number, address, etc. And you can just click on submit, and a new customer would be added, just like the ones you can see over here. So there are around 20 entries. So just like that, you can add more customers. Then the next section is the routes, which basically means the route that specific vendors that have been hired or who are in partnership with the admin are shown, like the routes that are being followed by these vendors. So obviously the admin assigns certain requests made by customers to certain vendors. So here you can see the assignments which are pending. That is the places where the vendors are yet to go to provide the services. Active orders, active customers, and active vendors. That is the number of vendors who are currently rendering their services to the customers. So here you can see the details. You can also click on these tabs to see different aspects, pending assignments, its active number of active orders, history. So here you can see the customer ID, order number, name of the customer, the time when the service was given, and the exact location from where the pickup was made and where the drop-off was. You can even track the vendor. Then the next option after this is like is the profile section, where you can just sort of make changes, whatever changes you need to make to the profile. You need to add stuff, you need to delete details. You can do all of that on the profile section. Here you can upload the logo, name, email, etc. I'll just show you the screen once. You can select the time zone, country. You can even change your password from here. You can even change the language. Right now it's set to English, but you can change it to any of these languages provided. Here you can see all the details of your account. The same profile section comes, and after that, you can log out if you want to from here. You can even add routes. Just open this in the new section so that there's no confusion. So this seems to be the same as the profile section for now, but you can add different routes as well. So coming back to the demo, then after the profile, as you've just seen, after the profile section, you can click on customize, here where you can customize your profile. Like you can add the metrics, the agent name, currency, which is right now set to rupee, and all these details. Date and time also you can select. So there are certain proofs which the vendor can give, as a proof for completing the tasks. So it could be any of these, and you can enable or disable any of these. Right now 3 of them have been enabled, which is image, signature, and notes. Services have been made. Then also you can, as proof, you can enable or disable certain features which are given below, just like above. And same goes for the appointment, proof of appointment. So that's about it for the customized section. Then there is teams. So certain teams have been made by the admin, and all those details have been given here. Like for example, first is VMS, location accuracy, location frequency, team strength, tags, action. You can even delete the details or edit the details as per your liking or requirement. Here similarly, just like you added the team name, you can add individual vendors, as you can see here. The next section is vendors. So here you will get to know all the details about the vendors. That is starting from the total number of vendors who are on the platform, those who are working as freelancers, those who are full-time employees, those who have been approved by you, that is you the admin, and those who have been unapproved by you. So then you can see the active vendors, number of vendors who are actively right now using the platform, those who are awaiting approval, you can see all their details here. Cash collected, order earning, total amount paid to agent, total received from agent, final balance, subscription plan also, and subscription expiry date, the date and time when the subscription has been requested, and the action taken. Similarly, there is the blocked tab where you can see all the vendors who have been blocked, and the same details you will find here. Coming back to this panel, the next option is subscription. So as the name goes, you would get to know the total number of subscribed drivers in percentage as well. You can see like the image, you can upload the image, title, give a title, description, price, frequency, etc. And even see the status. Then after subscription, payout requests. So as you can see here, you can even enable auto payout if you want to. Right now we have not enabled, so the total order value that has been placed through the platform is this is $3,765. Pending payout value is nil, and completed payout value is, because we have enabled in rupees, so it's rupees. This is the pending tab. Then you just select the completed tab and those payments that have been failed. After this, the next option is payment options. So you can enable the mode of payments through which the payments are made, and the options are Stripe, Razorpay, etc., and bank account as well, right? Then after payout options, there is the Geo-Fence option. Here you would know where the vendors are located or where they are giving their services. You can add Geo-Fence just like you would add customer details in the customer section. It's loading. You can select all vendors, name, you can add the name, the description. That's about the Geo-Fence section. Next is auto allocation. The agent can either acknowledge the receipt of the task or accept or decline a task based on your selection below. So it's pretty self-explanatory. He or she can acknowledge, accept or reject, or perform none of these actions. Then there are these fields, that is number of retries, start allocation before, you can add the time limit before you start allocating the request made by the customer, request expires, maximum task per person, maximum radius, maximum cash at hand per person. You can even select a method to allocate the task, one by one, send to all, batch wise, or round robin. The next section after auto allocation is pricing rules. Here you can set the base price, the duration, base distance, and all the actions that have been taken. You can change the number of entries that you want to see at once. Right now it's been set to 2. You can even increase it or decrease it from this. Now the next option is configure. So you can select the map type, the API key, just enter the API key, current selection, SMS from, API key, API secret, email details, username, password. And just click on save once you enter all these details. Then there are other details that need to be filled up, like personal access token, custom domain, FCM server key, the number of the vendor's registration documents, which is a very important part of verification of customer details. If in case you've enabled any refer and earn offer, then you can manage that from here. Then other miscellaneous options like customer support, custom mods, or batch allocation. Then is the CMS portal, from where first you can go to the pages section. Here you can manage all the customers. You can see what's been written in the terms and conditions page and what's been written in the privacy policy page. Then you can see what emails are being sent to the customers You can add the subject, you can write the content, and then you just click on publish. And next, you can even customize and set the SMS that you will be sending to the customers. For sign up, there will be a different content. For sign in, there will be different content. Driver accepted, different, and for driver rejected also, there will be a different SMS content. You can add tags and then you just click on publish, and all the customers will receive the corresponding text messages. The second last option is analytics. This is perhaps one of the most important part of the admin portal. It's the most important thing for you as an admin, because this is where you get to know all the activities that are being performed by your vendors, and you get to know the entire budget that is being allocated, the pending amount, or any other details regarding vendors. Like I said, you get to know the platform earning, the total earning that is being made by the Homeric platform in general, the total number of orders that have been placed, the total number of agents who are active on the platform, their earnings. You can see all of this on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Right now it's been selected to monthly. You can even see, so for today, as you can see, number of orders are these many and the net earning is this much. And for weekly, if you have to look at it, so this is, you can see the agents details, their phone number, and also the type, whether they're freelancers or an employee. You can see the customers detail as well, including their name, the total amount spent, the phone number, and the total number of orders. You can set it back to the monthly. Here also you would see the same details for agents and customers. Then the second last option is notifications, wherein you manage all the notifications that are sent to the customers as well as the vendors. The pickup notification, agent started, agent arrived, successful, that is payment successful or payment failed. Drop off notifications with the same options. And now the last is managing the managers. No pun intended. So the managers, as you can see, you can see the details, their name, email, the phone numbers, the status, and the action being taken by them. Here you can also add manager details, name, contact number, team access, the team to which the manager belongs, email, password, status, and all these details, dashboard, customers, routes, add route. You just submit it so that the details get saved. So yes everyone, so that's all about the admin portal of a home services app, Homeric, that has been built by us at Brew Labs.
So as you can see, there is the login option over here. So once you install the app, obviously you need to log in. Right now I haven't created an account, so the first step would be to create an account. So for that we click on login. Since no account has been created, first we'll click on create new account. Here I'll fill in the details. In case you have a referral code, you can enter here. Since I do not have a referral code as of now, I won't be entering it. And I click on sign up account to create my account. Once you install the app, this is the home page that you would see. So here you can see various home services options like disinfection, home cleaning, AC cleaning, carpet cleaning, mattress cleaning, etc. Then there are also salon services for men as well as women. Then there are other options like explore stores, popular brands. You can even see the featured products. You can see the new products that have been added to the panel. Here you can see all the products that are available for sale. So this is the entire home page. Coming to the profile section of the app, for that you need to click on accounts. Here, if you go on links, you will see these three options: vendor registration, terms and conditions, and privacy policy. If you click on vendor registration, you'll see all the vendor details. Here you can see the terms and conditions, and here you can see the privacy policy. Then settings. Here you can change the appearance as per your liking. Right now it has been set to light. If you click on dark, as you can see, the appearance has been set to dark. You can even click on the automatic option, wherein the light would adjust, or the screen would adjust as per the lighting around you. So for example, say if you're in a dark place, the app will be shown in the light mode, and if you're in a light place, like where there is a lot of light around you in the surrounding areas, then the app will shift to the dark mode. Here you can select the currency and then the language. So this is the part where you can fill the details in case you need to contact us, wherein you fill your name, email, phone number, and the message that you have for us, and then just click on submit. I went to the account section, and now I can see all the parts of the customer app. So here you can see my name, my email, personal email ID. Here I can even upload a photo of mine, and the other details. So this is the basic info. If you want to change your password, you can change the password and set it. And here is the address, wherein we can add new address and then save it. So here you can also see other options like my orders. You can see the active orders and the past orders. Then you can see the subscriptions that you've taken. If you've got any loyalty points or rewards, you can check that out over here. Right now, not many details are being fetched in different categories because I have just created an account and there has been no activity that has been performed by me whatsoever on the portal. So here are some details about the additional points that are required. For a gold plan card, it's 400. For a silver plan card, it's 600. And for a platinum plan card, it's 800. You can see the amount added to your wallet. As you can see, there is zero balance. So you can just click on add money and then you can add the amount you want to add. Here you can see all the items in the wish list. The links are the ones, this part we have already seen. You can share the app through various platforms with your friends and colleagues, and this is also something which we have already gone past by. So this, back to the home platform, the main activity would obviously be adding to cart. So let's get to that. Right now you can see that there are no items in the cart, so we can just add an item. So for that, let me go to the men's salon section. Yeah, you can see all the available services. Right now they're all out of stock, but whenever they are in stock, you would not see these disclaimers out here. Similarly, so let's check some other service. Let's go for AC deep cleaning. This is also out of stock. So right now we can see that it is an out of stock, but it is a pretty simple process wherein you just select the service that you want, you add it to cart, you view the order summary, you make the payment, view the order summary, you place the order, you make the payment through various payment gateways like PayPal, Paytm, Google Pay, debit or credit card, cash on delivery, etc. That's about the customer app.